Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create, or not very, because you're not creating, but I'll show you how you can add to your video a subscribe button. And I'm gonna show you every step by step exactly. And if this video is gonna help you, don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. And now let's jump right into the video. So I have this subscribe animation, and I downloaded this animation from Pixabay, and I'll show you exactly how you can download this as well. Instead of buying plugins and effects and all that stuff, you can do it for free. You can have this animation for free. So let me show you what you have to do. So what you have to do is to head over to pixabay.com, and then you can, here in the search bar, you can write subscribe YouTube, subscribe, or just subscribe YouTube. Select, write that in the search bar here in this bar, in this, okay, and then here just select videos instead of images, because we want videos. Actually, I'll leave the link of this page in the description of this video, and you can simply click on download, and that's pretty much it. It's free. You can use Pixabay license. You can use this for I mean, you can read this if you want, and yeah, you can read this. I mean, it's, you are allowed to attribution, it's not required. Okay, allow content you can use, it's used for free for commercial and non-commercial use across print, digital, except case. Okay, you can, what is not allowed, you can read this. Okay, you can pause the video and read this. Okay, and now let me show you how you can edit this in Davinci Resolve. And here in Davinci Resolve, let's select the, okay. Okay, and then what you have to do is to click on the edit tab. And here what you have to do, if you don't see anything on the left side, enable effects, because that's what we need. And here in effects, and also, sorry, I forgot to say something, to mention something here. You have sound. Okay, this, when this pops up, when this shows up, when this subscribe button will reveal. And it's too loud. Yes, that's what I want to mention. It's too loud. It's actually absurding loud. It's too loud. So just decrease the volume. And now let's go to open here. Click on it, expand this, and here scroll a little bit down, and you should look for 3D, and then grab it and drag it over the video. And now here in effects, you should have something new, which is this one. Okay. It's just now if you want to remove the green behind, we need to select, expand this, and select open F overlay, because we're working with this FX stuff. And now just grab this and create a circle around this, because that's what we need to remove. And now let's go here, dispel, because we want to remove the green. Like you can see, like there's still some green here. Right over here there's still some green, so that's not what we want. And also there's not smooth. What is it? Key adjustments. Yeah, here high smooth, so you can increase the smooth here. And you can also increase some add some shadow, not shadow, but increase the contrast. You can here play with some settings if you want. Okay, but that's, oh, it's good, okay. Now click on transform, and let's decrease this, resize, and position the subscribe button right over here. Why not? Or here, so it's not annoying the viewer, it's not too annoying for the viewers. All right, and now this will pop up, right? You also have sound, but maybe you want to add some keyframes. Okay, so what you have to do is to select the video and then go to video, transform, and add a keyframe right at the beginning. If you want here, you can move the cursor here or here where you want, and now add the position keyframer. And now when we move this and around this, we want to move the subscribe. And now it's moving, right? And now if you want to, around here, we want to move it a little bit more, and we change the position. And let's another keyframe here. And now when it's starting to reveal, I guess if that's what it's called, make the subscriber really big. But don't do this in your video. It's gonna be very annoying for the viewer. I'm just showing you keyframing, but yeah. So yeah, you can add a keyframe here. Click on here if you want to add position. If you want to change the position, if you want to change the zoom, add here. If you want to change everything here, you can just click here. It's gonna add everything: pitch, view, anchor, rotation. Then if you move this, if you added the keyframe here, if you move that, and if you make this smaller, now a new keyframe was added. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and now I hope you have a fantastic day. I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial. Take care.